Instagram just dropped a massive DM update with voice transcriptions, 5-minute audio clips, and a follow all button. Want to chat smarter and connect faster? Stick around to see how. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech trends. If you're obsessed with Instagram's new vibe, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech updates. Let's dive into these game-changing DM features. Instagram's DMs are getting a serious glow-up. As Instagram chief Adam Mosseri said, more photos and videos are shared in DMs than anywhere else on the app, a total paradigm shift. To keep up, Instagram's rolling out voice message transcriptions. Now when you get a voice clip, a view transcription button lets you read the text before, during, or after playing it. Perfect for when you're in a noisy place or just can't listen out loud. That's not all. Instagram's bumping voice messages from 1 minute to a whopping 5 minutes so you can spill all the tea without rushing. They've been testing this with some users, but now it's rolling out to everyone. Plus, there's a new follow all button in group chats. Tap it to instantly follow everyone in the convo. It's a quick way to stay connected with your crew, whether it's friends or new group chat buddy. These updates make Instagram DMs more flexible and rival apps like WhatsApp. Want to try them? Open Instagram, check your DMs, and start sending those longer voice notes or following group chat members. Instagram's DMs are now smarter and more fun than ever. What's your favorite new feature? Transcriptions, longer voice notes, or the follow all button? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay in the loop with GadInsider.